Hi, I'm Maria, and I wanted to get a massage chair because of my busy schedule. Number one, I'm an elementary teacher and have many children at school. I have 2 children of my own at home, and I have a husband. And we all have busy schedules. So for me to try and make an appointment with a masseuse or go somewhere, I find it very difficult to fit another thing into my busy schedule. So one of the factors is that I just enjoy having the convenience of having my own massage chair here at home, and I can fit it in anytime, and it's right there, and I don't need to wait for anybody. Another reason why I bought the chair was I'm athletic. I ski, I play volleyball and softball. A couple of those sports are high impact. And instead of coming home after a game, instead of popping a couple of Advil, I find it just as easy, and if not more healthy, to sit in the massage chair and de-stress or work on my muscles for the few extra little pains that I might have from recreational volleyball, softball, and skiing. So a couple of things. One, trying to fit stuff into my busy schedule is crazy. So again, it's right here, ready for me to go. And number 2, instead of popping an Advil or an ibuprofen, I can just get into my chair and it takes away the pain quickly.